Hey everyone, it's the Manic Hobbyist. There's my stack of aluminum so far. So, on my last pour, the top of that was coming off. So I've already taken it off there. I'm going to clean this out. I have a new fire brick that I'm going to put in there. I have a heat resistant adhesive that I can stick that back in here, and it's good up for up to 2000 degrees. So I'm just going to sand that out and get it nice and cleaned up, get it prepped, and then go ahead and use this adhesive. I'm also going to fix a little bit of something I got going on there. But yeah, excited to get her ready to go again. New video coming out. I have my sister. She's awesome. She filmed and she's going to be editing it. She was having some issues, so the video from this weekend should be out maybe tonight, possibly tomorrow. Stay tuned.